See, they done put a new power box on this outside, and he mentioned that that's what might cause that fire over there because of the...
Because of knob and tube wiring inside.
Yeah.
Alright, so they tried to run new current into old wiring. And your wiring can't hold the load that the new one's putting out.
Yeah.
So in turn, it sparked up, caught a flame. It's all paneling inside, and so as soon as one fire hit, it torched up, and the whole thing took off. Like the guy said across the street.
Yeah.
It was a small fire, and then the whole thing took off.
This is OG Marketing with Brandon and Pat.
Welcome back to OG Marketing, another episode. I'm at another rundown property. I'm here with a potential buyer, and looks like this property is on a condemned list as well. He's still interested in the other one, but y'all stick around, see what I got to show y'all on this one. It's fire damage and all. So if you got property in Cincinnati or surrounding areas and you want to get rid of them, don't know what to do, get in touch with me. I'll come out there, check out their properties, give you my opinion, and we take it from there. Y'all stick around.